Hey guys, Jesse Helmendahler here with TREBEL Wellness Solutions. Oftentimes we have people ask us questions about, what are you? Are you a gym? Do you guys do personal training? Are you boot camps? And so just to lay out a clear, concise process for you, if you're interested in our program and our services, go ahead and give us an email. Through that email, we will then set you up with some time on the phone that's going to work to talk to you about your goals, your background, our service offerings, and if we think that it's going to be a good fit, then we can get you scheduled for a consultation. That consultation will dig in a little bit deeper into what are your pain points? What do you really want? What does a good life and living a great life really mean to you? If we think it's going to be a good fit, then and only then will we set up what we call a 3-day assessment, where we would start working with you physically, putting you through the paces on mobility screening, some core strength, stability screening, things like that. If we think it's a good fit after that 3-day assessment, then we would move on to some private training in the form of 5 sessions, 10 sessions, 15 sessions, whatever we think it may take. And then we slowly, gradually move you into our group setting. So that's a recap of what it takes in the process if you think that you might have a need for our services. Give us a call.